That baby right there is the culprit. That's the bad one. All right, so I'm gonna have to start taking all this apart.
So essentially what you want to do to get these babies out, there's the easy way and then there's the more difficult way. I'm going to show you the easy way. So you get your ball gem press started and then you just throw some tension on it, right? So let me just get a little bit of tension on it. And this is where people make the mistake. They think that they need to press that baby out with tension, and that's really not what you need to do. Get yourself some tension on there, and then you want to hit the side of the arm, basically right about here, and you should be able to pop out. I'm going to try it on this side so you can see it pop. All right, now watch what happens to this joint. There's just a little bit of tension on it. There, I got a little bit of tension on there. Now watch what happens to this thing. Look right here is what I'm trying to show you, right? Watch. Just trying to break that bond. There's a rust bond between the arm and the joint that you're trying to bust. I should be able to get a little bit more tension on it now. Right? If this was a cast iron arm, it would have went by now. And she's basically there. I can probably press this the way out by hand here. Don't take anything fancy. Just trying to bust that rust, that's all. This thing here is bent a little bit. The threads are a little bit messed up. The nut's a little bit messed up. And the reason it's like that is because somebody's trying to power that on. Power that off. Take a big socket with a huge crowbar and power that baby off. And that's not what you really need to do. You need to get a little bit of tension on it. You see, dude, how much tension do you think I can get with a regular old wrench, man? I mean, that's only, what, maybe a foot long? I mean, I wasn't putting that much tension on it, and hey, I don't got that much tension to put on anyway. But as soon as I got it on there, as soon as I got the tension on there, all I was doing after that was trying to break that rust bond. That rust bond right here, where it's just basically welded in there. Anyhow, time to put this baby back together, but I wanted to show you that trick. That trick will save you a ton of headache. Yeah, that's a bad one. I mean, yeah, you could hear it. And that's it. That's the way to get them out.